Hey everybody, this is the next video in our ongoing series, and this month we want to talk about something critical when selecting your EM service provider, and that thing is experience. In the world of fisheries monitoring, experience isn't helpful, it is essential. And this is where Archipelago stands out from its peers in the EM market. Every fishery is unique. There's different gear types, vessel sizes, species, targets, regional regulations, and that means that a one-size-fits-all solution just simply won't work. And it takes years of hands-on deployment, adaptation, collaboration to understand the subtle nuances to make an electronic monitoring program successful. So that's why we created a video this month, is we want to highlight the experience that Archipelago brings to the table. Because in fisheries monitoring, experience is the difference between a system that works and one that truly delivers. So how do you show experience in the world of electronic monitoring in fisheries? We think it comes down to numbers. How many projects has a company been involved in? How many vessels carry your equipment? Considering how long we've been in the EM game, it took some time to gather all that data, but here are the results. Since we pioneered electronic monitoring back in 1999, we have delivered 74 unique EM projects around the world, covering almost every gear type available and supporting a wide range of goals within those projects. We've installed EM systems on 1,572 vessels and deployed close to 5,000 cameras. If we stack those EM units on top of each other, it would be the equivalent to a 60-story building. That's a lot of systems. As far as our software tools, FishVue Interpret has been the leading data analysis tool in electronic monitoring for the last 20 years. More fishing days have been reviewed around the world with Interpret than any other piece of software in the EM industry. At current count, it's the go-to review software for more than 600 vessels who carry EM systems. And with the introduction of FishVue AI into the Groundfish fleet here in Canada, we are now running operational AI on more vessels than anyone else in the EM industry. Very cool stuff, and we are just getting started with what is possible when you incorporate FishVue AI and FishVue Interpret into the workflow of an EM program. So, what is the message for this month's video? Don't believe smoke and mirrors, believe experience. We've seen flashy promises come and go, but nothing replaces the trust earned from decades of proven results in EM. Trusted experience, smart technology, sustainable fisheries. That's what we offer here at Archipelago. If you want to learn more about what we're up to in the world of EM, reach out to the address on the screen, and we'll see you next month for more updates.